and bright, loved by all, a joyful sight. Spreading laughter, spreading cheer, singing songs for all to hear.
If you had fun, then quickly subscribe to Zoo Zoom Rhymes TV.